You guys are really close. Oh no, that's too close. Okay. I'm gonna do my makeup really quickly. Good morning, guys. What's up? Today's video is going to be a little bit different. My plan is to do a shop my stash with you guys, but we are already late. We woke up kind of late because we got in late last night. I gotta run over to Target or Walmart, whichever one's gonna have the stuff I need, because next weekend I'm doing Jason's birthday party, and it's Super Mario Brothers theme, because he's doing like a gaming theme. So I have to get everything ready because I'm doing a huge backdrop. I'm doing like the whole like Pinteresty thing. So I have to finish getting everything so that way I can start creating everything today. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do my shop my stash, but on top of it, y'all get to hang out with me for a little bit. I forgot to prime. I'm hoping that nothing happens here, but I forgot to prime my skin, y'all. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup. So I'm just gonna fast forward this part if that's okay.
Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads, beating hearts, falling apart, staying up to forget, but baby we'll fall.
So I gotta give a little bit of a shout out really quickly because I have been using this mascara. This is the So Fierce mascara by Revlon, you guys. I have been using this for the past couple of days that I don't film, and I haven't even been like curling my lashes because I've had an issue like finding a really good lash curler, and I've been using this mascara. You guys, look at my lashes. Like, I mean, they are lifting all on their own from this mascara, and it's a really good building mascara. Like, I cannot believe how much I really love this mascara. Like, this is actually a mascara I would consider repurchasing, which I have so many, you guys. So for me to say that is like a huge deal because honestly, like, I haven't purchased mascara in a really long time because I just have so many. Let me show you what I have right now, my current shop my stash, because I put everything away from last month, and the past couple of days I've just been adding stuff to my collection so that I knew what I kind of already wanted to play with and use up. So let me show you what I already have. So this is what I currently have in my shop my stash. I have the butter bronzer in there. I've got the Covergirl, which I'm almost out of, you guys, so I'm gonna just finish that off as well. I have the Nikita Palette Dragon in here. I did a review on this, you guys, and I really love this palette. I think it works really good. I only use this shade though, but I really like that one. For lipstick, I have this one here by Covergirl, which is in the shade Sultry Sienna. I love this shade. Look at that. For my face, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte. This is actually one that I know for a fact I want to keep in my collection right now for the month because I really love the way that it sat underneath my eyes. Still have to get like primers and foundations, setting sprays, all of that other jazz added, which we'll do in a little while, but that's what I have currently. My desk is a mess. I need to clean off my desk. I need to clean off all of this. I also need to I need to prep for my filming schedule for next week. I have my CoverGirl video, which will go up tomorrow. It's like my best of CoverGirl that I've tried so far. So that one's done. I just need to do like candid shots for products, but I need other ideas. So if you guys have any down below that you guys would like to see, let me know. Let's go ahead and let's get on with our day, shall we? So this is just some of the stuff that I picked up. I'm gonna be making the backdrop for it. So I had to get like a light blue because I'm gonna have, I got some whiteboard over there, the pleated whiteboard. That's actually gonna be, I'm gonna draw out clouds there. And then I've got like my colors here for the tablecloths, some streamers. Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna use streamers or not, but I picked them up just in case. I've got some Skittles, since those are Jason's favorite. We're gonna do a candy bar. I bought these at Walmart, but I need to get one more, so I have to go to Hobby Lobby. But you guys can see I've got the gold coins. Those are chocolate gold coins that will go in one of them. We've got the Skittles, the Princess Peach rings down there. These Skittles will be called like Yoshi's eggs. And then these here are just some cheese balls that I got, which will be considered firepower. I know they have some really cute names. A lot of this is Pinterest inspired. I did not come up with all of this on my own. So I have to do some cleaning. I gotta go downstairs. I really wanna clean just a little bit before I get started for my next week, kind of prepping. And then we can go through and finish my shop, my stash. I need coffee first, so let me get my coffee. This mug I'm gonna use today, my girlfriend got it for me for Halloween. Isn't it cute? So I'm gonna use this to make coffee today.
and sound. No one around, say the word and we'll go. But baby, we'll fall. We all go dancing down, and paradise is found.
I just finished cleaning. Everything looks a little bit cleaner. I still have like some stuff here and there that I need to take care of, and then I just need a vacuum, but for most of the part, everything is put away so we can begin. So I already have mascara, so I'm not gonna do mascara, but I definitely need to look at primers. So the weather's been a little bit crazy here, and my skin has been acting up really weird. Like, it is super dry right now. I cannot keep enough moisture on my skin, so I definitely want something that's more moisturizing than anything. I think I'm going to try and finish up this Tarte Base Tape. This is a hydrating primer, but let's also do, I really need to try to finish this up. I really don't like it, but I'm almost done with it. Let me try to use it one more time, see if I can try it in a different one. This is just their NYX Soft Focus Primer. Concealers. Okay, so for concealer, let's go into here. So I actually just got this one yesterday in the mail. It's from Benefit. They sent over their Benefit concealers, their new ones, the Boing, the cakeless concealers, which I'm super excited about because when I was at Ulta the other day, they did not have my shade. So they sent me 2, 3, and 4. I think I'm gonna try shade number 4. So here are all 12 shades, but looking from 2, 3, and 4, I definitely think like shade number 4 is gonna be the best option. All right, so this is what they sent over. It is their Pixie Pretties collection, and it's basically like a little bit of the Beauty Guru stuff, I think. I know Rachel loves her palette, like just recently came out. I was so excited for her. I freaking love her. Then you've got Heart's Defense right there. This is an eyeshadow palette. This is gorgeous, by the way. Look at all those colors on there. Look at how beautiful that palette is. That's like super gorgeous. Then you've got Chloe's, who's got the lip icings here. These are really pretty, by the way. We've got Miriam, and then she's got Little Trio. I love the Liquid Fairy Lights. And they're matte liquid lipsticks. You guys know I rave about those all the time. They're like my favorite. And then this here is by Head to Toe. And she's got glowy powders here and then an eyeshadow stick. So yeah, I'm totally taking this. Like, I already know I want to play with this because I freaking love her and I wanted to try this palette out. I think I'm going to take one of the Chloe ones also. I'll do like swatches and stuff also in my PR haul, and also when I do my tutorial using like all my extra products because I always do a makeup tutorial using all of my Shop My Stash products. So these will be featured in there for sure. And then in my PR haul, I'm going to swatch all of this also for you guys. So we'll talk about it more then, but I definitely want to play around with this. So yeah, we've got Makeup Revolution here that's sent over. Let's see. Oh my gosh, they sent over a bunch of stuff, you guys. Look, the Sculpt and Gold Contour and Highlight Palette. Look at this eyeshadow palette. Look at that eyeshadow palette. There's that one. They sent over this one here, which looks like this. Ooh, look at this one. And then they sent over this one. Ooh, the Define and Brow, Fill Brow, Dark Brown. I think I'm going to try this. Yeah, let's try that now. A satin matte lipstick. Oh my god, look at that shade. It's called Stripped. Yeah, I'm totally trying that out now. Brow Volume and Sculpt. Get it right, Steph. Yeah. Okay, so let's try out that from PR. Who wants to see a Makeup Revolution one brand tutorial? Let me know down below. But I think that is something I definitely need to try out. I really want to try my Stay Naked again, you guys. I stopped using it because you guys know I was scared that I was breaking out from it. I know. I really want to try it again, though, because I really kind of miss it. I love the freaking formula on this. Like, it's so, so good. I'm going to mix it. Let's use one of my matte maids. We'll do the matte maids. I'm looking in this drawer, and it's got, like, my Morphe palettes. And I think I'm going to pull out this one because it's been a really long time since I've used it. It's my original Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This is the JH palette. I got a couple shadows that, like, I used up this one, but this one's broken. But I like this one. I thought that was a really good palette she created. What do we have in here? I did want to pull out one of the Pretty Cool palettes, or actually, what did I have that I wanted to use? I've used up my NARS pretty good. I've got the Too Faced. I almost feel like I should pull out the Gingerbread palette because it's like that time frame, you know, like just kind of fall weather, and I've used it like a handful of times, so I'll pull out that one too. I want to pull out one of the Pretty Cool palettes from Dose of Colors. I was thinking of pulling out this one. This is the Pretty Cool palette. I'm going to take my So Jaded palette and add that to this collection as well to get some like vibrancy and stuff, but these are like my 3 basic palettes I'm going to play with. This is like my half highlighter, half palette drawer. I'm going to pull out this one down here because I really need to get some use out of this. Here it is. It's super big and bulky. I remember when I got this online, I was so excited and I hardly ever use it, you guys. I've got to use it, so that's what I'm going to pull out. I think I'm going to use that one. Let's do that one. Let's do the Jaclyn Hill one. What do you guys think? Yeah, it's been a while since I've used this. You guys, so this is everything that I'm going to be pulling out in my collection. I've got eyeshadows, I've got contour, I got blush, highlight, some new, some very old. So that's my Shop My Stash / vlogging style. I hope you guys enjoyed this with me, getting to hang out with me just a little bit this morning and watch me clean and do my makeup and then do my Shop My Stash. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you guys didn't know, I have other videos uploaded here, so make sure to check some out. They're gonna be here, I don't know, they'll be somewhere around here. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.